Falling in love is really easy. A lot of hormones are going wild inside both of your bodies. The physical and mental attraction can be overwhelming, and so most people think that being in love is the same as real love, but it isn't. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the difference between being in love with someone versus having real love for someone. So before I start, kindly hit the subscribe button if you're yet to, and do not forget to turn on post notification. First, I'll be talking about what being in love feels and looks like. And I tell you this, it's a proven fact that when a person is in love, their brain looks the exact same way that it does when someone is high on drugs. The same pleasure centers light up, just like you're on drugs. That's probably why sometimes people say they are high on love. This is because their brain literally feels like it's on drugs. But those hormones that make our brains overly stimulated don't equate to real love. This stimulation is only temporary and it wears off, and that's why they call it the honeymoon phase or the in love state of a relationship. Now let's talk about real love. Real love is what happens when you're with someone for quite a while. And of course, it's not always rainbows and lollipops. Real love happens when the two of you are completely committed to each other. And there are some very specific qualities of real love that you need to know in order to know the current state of your relationship. The first quality about real love is that you have no expectations. I know we all have expectations of other people. We want them to act the way we want them to. But all of these things are expectations, and true love has no expectations. It simply loves the person just as they are with no changes. Number two is that there's no blaming, because real love involves working together as a team. You don't blame your partner because you have the ability to look at yourself and take personal responsibility for your actions. But instead, you forgive and stop blaming someone. You stop taking things personal. Now that is part of true love. Number three is that real love is an action and not just a feeling. You know, most people think that love is simply a feeling, but it is not. And yes, you do feel good when you are with the person you love, but then real love requires you to show the person that you love them, like doing nice things and treating them with respect at all times. Number four is that you should put your partner's needs first. You see, selfishness has no room when it comes to love. I mean, you can't really love someone and be selfish. You need to put the other person's needs at least equal to, if not before, your own needs. Real love requires you to be selfless. Number five is that real love makes you feel good. Many people have been in a lot of toxic relationships and they think that that is love. Well, I'm telling you that that's not love. Love does not make you feel bad. Real love makes you feel good. So any person who disrespects you, either verbally, mentally, emotionally, or physically, does not love you. In fact, they do not even love themselves. Number six is that real love has empathy. Let me tell you, empathy is essential to love. The definition of empathy is that you can see the other person's perspective even if it's different from yours. Empathy requires you to walk in their shoes and feel what they feel. That's what real love does. It feels the other person's emotions and wants to make them happy. Number seven is that real love is unconditional. And when I say unconditional, I mean no conditions. I know most people love conditional. They only love the person if they act the way they want them to, and that's not what real love is. True love is unconditional. So now that you know all the characteristics of real love, do you still feel like you love this person? Or you are just in love with this person? Thanks for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel if you're yet so, and do not forget to turn on post notification.